Hello guys, welcome to Kamala's English classes. Dear guys, today I shall discuss direct and indirect speech or narration change. It is a very important grammatical chapter or grammatical concept. It is highly necessary for the students of all boards. It is very helpful for the students of ICSE, CBSE, BSE, all other state boards, including the candidates or students, those are preparing for various competitive exams. So it is my request, please watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any portion of the video so that you can understand the rules, regulations, principles, formalities and concept involved with them, and try your best to remember it. While I am explaining you, I shall explain you in very simple and lucid language, the language up to your level. Okay, let's start the video now. Direct and indirect speech or narration change. What is direct and indirect speech and narration change? We can express the speech of a person, speech of someone in two different ways, either in direct speech or in indirect speech. Then the question may come to your mind, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech? Direct speech or DS, when actual words of the speaker are used in the speech is said to be in indirect speech. I have already given the definition of direct speech on the board. You pause the video and take it down your note so that it will be very helpful for you. For example, he said, I am a shopkeeper. He said, I am a shopkeeper. What the speaker said here, that is kept within inverted comma or quotation mark. The exact words of the speaker or exact speech of the speaker is expressed here. That's why this sentence is said to be in direct speech. Now we shall go for what is indirect speech. Indirect speech or IS, when words of the speaker are reported in our own words, or we call the speech is in indirect speech. When words of the speaker are reported in our own words, we call the speech is in indirect speech. In other words, we can say, when the speech of a person we do not quote in his language, in his actual language, but we convert it into our language and express before others, the speech is said to be in indirect speech. For example, he said, I am fine. This sentence is in direct speech. But the second sentence, he said that he was fine. It is indirect speech because we have given the synopsis of the first sentence in our word. Here the exact words of the speaker are given, and in the second sentence the synopsis or the words of the speaker are expressed in our language. That's why the second sentence is in indirect speech. Okay, dear guys, you look at the board and pay attention what I am telling you. He said, I am very thirsty. This sentence is in direct speech. The sentence within inverted comma is a simple sentence. And the sentence starting from this to this, the entire sentence is a complex sentence, is a complex sentence. He said, I am very thirsty. This is a complex sentence. And the sentence within inverted comma is called reported speech, RS. reported speech, or DS, direct speech. Okay, and the sentence outside the quotation mark, this portion is called introductory sentence. Introductory sentence or clause. Introductory clause, and this verb is called RV. I mean a reporting verb. This is called a reporting verb, and this the sentence within quotation mark or within inverted comma is called RS or DS, reported speech or direct speech. So you have to remember always, guys, the sentence which will be used within inverted comma, that must be a simple sentence, and this portion plus this portion, when combined together, it becomes a complex sentence, and this portion of the sentence is called introductory clause, and this is called, this portion which is used as object of the entire sentence is called RS or DS, right? So what is simple sentence? A sentence which express its meaning itself without taking the help of any other sentence. The sentence is called a simple sentence. The example of simple sentence are like India got independence on 15th August 1947. It is a simple sentence. Karim denied to give my money. It is a simple sentence. He is a farmer. It is a simple sentence. He is not a lecturer. It is a simple sentence. So the sentence which will be within inverted comma must be a simple sentence. Simple sentence are of four types. They are declarative sentence, or you say assertive sentence, or you say statement. Number two, interrogative sentence. And number three, imperative sentence. Number four, exclamatory sentence. So these four types of simple sentences must be in this place within inverted comma or quotation mark. While we are converting from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to pay attention. This sentence should not be a complex sentence. It must be a simple sentence. Simple sentences are of four types: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence. Now we shall discuss when the sentence within inverted comma is a declarative sentence, how we shall convert from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, dear guys, now we shall discuss how to change from direct speech into indirect speech, or DS into IS, when the sentence within inverted comma or RS is a declarative sentence or assertive sentence or statement, right? We have to follow certain rules. The point number one is RV and RS will be joined by that. RV, reporting verb, and RS, reported speech. Reported speech is within inverted comma. The sentence within inverted comma is called reported speech, and introductory clause is called, in introductory clause RV is there. So when we are converting from direct speech into indirect speech, and the sentence within inverted comma is a statement or declarative sentence, or you say assertive sentence, RV and RS will be joined by that. Okay, then point number two, if RV is in present tense or future tense, the tense in RS part will not change, only person will change. I mean, if RV in introductory clause is in present tense or future tense, then tense will not change in the RS part, or the sentence within inverted comma. Only person will change, and how person will change we shall discuss in point number 5. Then point number 3, if RV is in past tense, the tense and person both will change in RS part. If RV is in past tense, I mean reporting verb is in past tense, then both tense and person will change in RS part or the part within inverted comma or quotation mark. Then point number 4, if there is object in the introductory clause in RV part, say, says, will say, said, etc., will change into tell, tells, will tell, or told respectively, and the two will be dropped in RV part. So this point says if there is object in introductory part, then what will be the consequence? The RV which is in the form of say, says, will say, or said, that will transform to what? Tell, tells, will tell, told respectively, and two will be dropped. The fourth case, fifth point is pronoun in RS part will change as follows. The pronoun in RS part means the sentence within inverted comma. Its pronouns will change according to the following formula. The formula I have written on the board. You look at the board and try to understand. Son 1, 2, 3. SON, son 1, 2, 3. S stands for subject, O stands for object, N stands for noun, 1 stands for first person I or we, 2 stands for second person you, 3 stands for third person like he, she, they, Ramo, Hari, etc. nouns. Okay. So if the subject is first person, the subject of the sentence within inverted comma or RS part is first person I or we, that will change according to subject of the whole sentence, I mean subject of the introductory part. And if the subject of the sentence within inverted comma or RS part is you, second person, then that will change according to object of introductory part. And if the subject of RS part is third person, then no change. The pronoun will remain as pronoun and noun will remain as pronoun. No change. Noun, it will remain in the form of a noun, or you say pronoun. I have taken 2 examples here. 3 examples here. He said, I am tired. He said here, said is RV, reporting verb, and the sentence within inverted comma or quotation mark, I am tired, it is reported speech or RS part. As RV is in past tense, when we change it from direct speech to indirect speech, the entire RS part will change. He said that he was tired. So both tense will change and person will change. If object is not there, said will remain said. And he said to me, you are fine. This sentence is called RS, and this verb is called said, here is called RV. So here as object is here, so said will change into tell. It's an appropriate form. He told me, two will be dropped. He told me that you will change according to object I. You will be I. He told me that I was fine. Tense will also change. Similarly, he said to me, he is a doctor. He told me, two will be dropped. Said will convert it to told. He told me that he, no change. It is pronoun, so no change. He was a doctor. Okay. In the after this, I shall give you some practical problems, and there I shall explain you how these rules are implemented in transferring from direct speech to indirect speech. So, dear guys, I am standing aside, and it is my request. Please note down these points in your copies for future reference, or you take the screenshot of these items, these rules, so that it will be very helpful for you at the time of conversion of from direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, dear guys, now we shall solve some practice questions for your better understanding. Question number 1. He says, I am a farmer. Here, this is RV. This is RV. And this part is called RS. Okay. This part, the introductory, this is called introductory part, and introductory clause. In introductory clause, the reporting verb is in present tense. When the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of RS part will not take place. It will remain same, only person will change. How person will change? So here you see first person refers to subject. This is first person, so it refers to this. He and I both are same. Here he, in introductory part, he, and in RS part I both are same. So while changing it from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to convert like this. He says that will be the joining word, as it is a declarative sentence. He says that I will change according to he. He is a farmer. So inverted comma will be removed, and instead of that only punctuation mark full stop will be used. So I, after I am is used, but after here he is used. So no tense is changed. Only the form of pronoun is changed. That's why instead of am is used. Okay. Then we shall go for question number 2. I say to him, you are a shopkeeper. This is RV. And this is RS part. So you see here, the RV is in present tense. And object is here also. Here is also object. So say will change to tell, and to will be dropped. I tell him, the joining word will be that. I tell him that you will change according to him. So he. I tell him that he is a shopkeeper. Okay. Then question number 3. He will say it is wrong. She will tell it is wrong. So the answer will be she will say will change into will tell. She will tell that. It is third person, no change will take place. Only the capital letter will become small. It is wrong. No change. Neither person nor tense. Nothing is changed here. Then we shall go for question number 5. My friend said to me, you have done. Here, this is RV. The RV is in past tense and object is also here. So, said will be converted to told. My friend told me, who will be dropped, told me that you will change according to me. You is second person. Second person, it refers to object. Here object is this. So you will change according to me. Me is object form, its subject form is I. I and its tense will change as it is as RV is in past tense, its tense will change. I had done. My friend said to me, you have done. My friend told me that I had done. So this way we can change what? We can change the questions from direct speech to indirect speech. This is the way we have to remember the rules and the regulations, the principles, how to convert from direct speech to indirect speech. Dear guys, I think this video will be very useful for you. If you think this is this is useful for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. And those who are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that when I upload new videos, you can get immediate notification. All the best. Thank you all.